Lumber Liquidators, Fredericksburg, Virginia. Just about ready to open up here. Some of the things we've done, we added a light underneath the overhang here that was missing, broken, to light this area up. But we've also built walls on the inside of here. We blacked out these two panels that looks into the office, and we built walls with black on the inside of these so you can't see into the warehouse. The landlord's telling me he's going to be painting this whole facade. For the fire marshal, we added the 10-inch letters on the address. This door, talked about replacing, is probably not going to happen, but these three panels right here, 1, 2, and 3, are plexiglass. We need to get those switched out into regular glass. So we're going to get a company to give some pricing on that. Everything is pretty well set up. I can't show you the subfloor because it's covered with your good-looking finished product here. But you can see fire extinguishers, alarm's been installed, exit signage. Got the counter location here. Got the quad outlet back here. Tyler did a good job getting the lines ran underneath. So everything's functioning. HVAC system is running. It's actually run at cycle. It's turned off, on and off. We got 2 cold air returns here in the center. So everything is closed up here. An emergency light here. So as we go into the warehouse here, we put some yellow striping, and actually we've hung a sign that says bathrooms available per building department. And they also wanted some yellow lines to know how to get to the restrooms. So we got the 2 drinking fountains installed, built into its own little cubby like the building department wanted. Let's come around the corner here and we have a his and hers. So what we've done in here, all the plumbing's been run underground and put into place. We put down this tile floor with a rubber base. All the grab bars are in place. We got air conditioning, heating and air, a fan and a light. And this one mimics that. Everything's existing in its place.
Sorry about that.
Oh, you're fine. Got an office back here, break room,
So
2 lights. We put some plywood over the walls, or over the windows, the glass I should say.
it's all PGI.
Everything is set up in here. These are the walls we built to protect the glass. We've also installed the bumpers all the way around. Electricians have installed all these high output lights. I think the place is lit up pretty good for what we have. We've got a cut station over here. Everything's been cleaned up. There's 2 existing rooftops that are going to be used for the tenant next door, and this is where the supply lines are coming in at. So eventually those are going to have to be addressed when they need to fire it up for next door. We made this an egress for the warehouse. Fire marshal's already come through and approved. It's got the panic bar to the outdoors. From this angle you can see the loading dock. We've hung this conduit properly. When we were here, it didn't have the right hangers on it, so we've hung that properly. put some shelving around it to help protect it, and this wall is just going to get some lower products, the glue and sort. We can't be covering up that emergency light. Inside is all the electrical panels here, alarm. This is where the phones come in. One of the things we need to address is the ramp coming in and out of this warehouse here. I'll take you to it. We've taken this door and made it 10 foot by 10 foot. It used to be 8 foot by 10 foot. So now this grate that they have here which is starting to cave in from just driving on it with a forklift. We're a couple feet short of this making it all the way across because of this ditch that's back here. Water runs both ways out of this thing, plus the sump pump is pumping water into it from this loading dock, which still has water in it. Sump pump is working though. So right here, this is starting to cave in. The metal's not strong enough for the purpose of what you guys are going to need it for. So we've got a company coming to give us an estimate and weld something up for us. Alright, that's it from Lumber Liquidators.